No. 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 Damn you, Saf. I'm here for my revenge.
Happy to beat you again.
Oh, yeah, I took that trip to Leicester strictly to get my revenge on Saf. I mean, I lost to him on the OnePlus 12R Pac-Man edition. Oh man, seriously. So I had to train. I trained hard. I trained as much as possible with the best equipment. And that was the OnePlus 12R. Now, this device packs in tons of features. And shout out to OnePlus for this because it's stacked. You've got a 5500 milliamp battery, which means I can train, practice, train some more, and just get it right, sharpen those skills. And then, of course, you do have SuperVOOC charging up to 100 watts, which means even if for whatever reason my device dies, it only takes 26 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. Yeah, I was training a lot, getting ready to just decimate him. But of course, it also has some great cameras. 2 megapixel macro, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel main sensor. Yeah, I can imagine now taking photos of Saf crying as he's losing with that great 50 megapixel sensor. But you know what, forget that. Let's go ahead, let's put our phone on silent with a slider and get ready for that first round.
Now for the challenge. We have 3 games to really see how the OnePlus 12R handles them and to see which one of us will be victorious.
I will be victorious.
It's going to be me. Yeah. It's obviously going to be me.
Of course it's me.
It's me.
Nah.
Like, you lost already, so this is already the second video.
I mean, you were playing the game for an old guy like you, so.
You're older than me anyway, but let's go. So the first game we're going to play, of course, is Call of Duty. We're doing a team deathmatch. We're going to be on the same team, and we're going to see who's going to get the most kills.
I will.
Let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. 2 kills.
4.
Oh.
No way, that guy took me out?
Haha. A death counts as a minus kill.
No, it does not.
Ah! Got sniped. I got sniped.
Took double kill. Oh, God, that guy
Another
took me
UAV.
out.
Thanks to me.
Okay, I'm in the zone.
What zone? Losing zone. Predator missile kill.
Okay.
Oh, we're done. Okay, let's see.
Ooh.
That was intense. MVP! Oh no! Won't work again. That was all thanks to my UAVs. I should have helped you out. I should not have helped you out. All right, let's see how close the kills were. Okay, 18 kills.
20.
All right, it was close. It was close. All right, 18 and 20 kills. So, I mean,
all right.
it was thanks to my UAVs, obviously.
How many thanks to UAVs? You still couldn't kill the guys anyway.
I was giving you the support that you needed.
See, that's what
without
he says.
which you would not have, you would not got those 2 extra kills. But it was close. It's not over. It's not over till it's over. All right. I didn't hear no bell, so we've got 2 more rounds.
All right, let's do this.
Let's do this.
Ooh, that was pretty close. Nah, I'm just kidding. I had it under control. I mean, come on. I was slipping and sliding left and right. I mean, I got a device that has a 6.7-inch display, 120 hertz refresh rate, super smooth for all my gaming needs. Plus, maximum nit brightness of 4600 nits, LTP of 4.0. I mean, come on. Plus, it packs a lot of power. So playing games like COD, PUBG, whatever you're playing, you're getting the best performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. And you can also get either 8 or 16 gigabytes of RAM, 128 gigabytes of storage, 256. Now, let me not get ahead of myself because I've got a second round now. And let's get this close. Let's just finish this off because I win 2, he's done.
So the second game we have is
Shadow Fight 4 Arena. Ooh, I can't wait.
Okay. Let's see who is victorious.
Okay, it's gonna be a second beatdown, guys.
Okay, round 1.
Okay. Double kick, 1, 2. Let's take him out. Oh man, he's coming back though.
I've got like a slither of life left.
Oh shoot, she's actually. I won. That was
That
close.
was very close though. That was very close.
I don't know. You just
But
had,
you've
had like
not
a
won
rally
yet.
back.
We've got two rounds to go.
Man. Oof.
First strike.
Ooh. Critical counter. There we go.
Critical hit.
Oh, he took
There
me
you
out
go.
of that.
Come on. It's close. It's close.
No. Okay. No. You're. It looks like. Come on. Don't.
Kick.
Oh. Snap.
Self-destruct. Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Final round.
I'm still hanging on. I
Final
need to
round.
win this final round so we can get onto the third round.
Take him out.
There we go. 2 combo. Yes. No, actually, you hang that. You know what? We should have done different characters because right now I can't tell who's who. I'm gonna do the same move over and over again.
Nah, he's just spamming. Oh, look at that. Ah.
What just happened there? Wait, hold on.
You won.
Draw!
Oh! Yes!
Draw!
Yes!
Okay.
A draw? What was I thinking? I mean, I lost my cool there. I didn't stick to the game plan. I didn't focus. I should have been more like the OnePlus 12R. I mean, it's got the cryo velocity cooling system that keeps the device really cool while we're doing this whole gaming session and I'm trying to beat Saf. I should have also used the gaming toolkit it has that allows me to optimize my system effectively, whether I'm increasing the clock speed, looking at my FPS readouts, or even just optimizing specifically for the game I want. Now, I gotta win. I mean, I let him back in with that draw. So let's see if we can close this out and get the dub.
Now that this is a draw, it's 1-E. The second game has been a draw, so the final one will be the decider now. So for the final game, we have Real Racing 3.
Yeah.
Should we do this? Are you ready to lose?
Oh, I'm ready to take home the glory.
All right, Real Racing 3.
Okay.
2, 1.
Go. All right. I don't even know what track this is. Oh, I'm leading.
I have to win. It says I'm first though.
Oh no, you're not.
I'm not seeing any, like right now, I'm just racing on my own. Am I sure I'm in the right place?
No,
oh, he just went past me. Oh, there he is.
He's lagging.
I can see a ghost.
Oh,
in
my
front of
ghost
me.
is just killing it. Oh yes, that's right. I'm channeling my inner, Sir Lewis Hamilton right now.
I think I've got an electric vehicle. That's what I need. I need an electric vehicle.
Oh, look at this lap time. Oh, okay, look, maybe I shouldn't talk too much. I was lost in there. Wow,
that was a close one. I could have got past you there, but
in your dreams, man. You watch my tail
where's my turbo? I need my turbo. Why does this
tail
not have a
lights?
turbo?
Oh, this is.
Corner cutting penalty. I got a penalty. That's not fair.
Trying to cheat to win, and guess who's about to? Okay, no, not yet. I thought that was the finish line. Yes! Woohoo!
Race complete.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful.
It wasn't by much. It was by about a few seconds.
Wait. What was your time?
2:22. Yeah.
2:19.
Yeah. So
that is huge in the racing world, guys.
No, it's
huge.
not. Look, I let him win this time. He's been training hard, as you saw earlier in the video. He's been training very, very hard, and I felt bad for him. Maybe I should have worked a bit more on my training. But regardless, guys, the OnePlus 12R has handled all of these games absolutely perfectly.
Yes.
Not even warm to the touch.
Nope.
We've also been screen recording, but it's been nice and smooth, hasn't it?
It has been. I got to give shout out to OnePlus for helping me train to get myself in gear because the 12R is really solid, Performance, smooth and great. Great touch sensitivity on the controls, especially playing, Call of Duty and making sure I could beat Saf supremely.
It was very close. It was very close. Like, 2 kills, nothing much in it. But anyway, guys, if you guys want to find out more about the OnePlus 12R, then there's going to be a link down in the description below. Now, remember, I've won one game and Enabong has won the other. So I'd call it a draw so far.
Please.
So I think we're going to have to do a part 3 at some time. What do you think?
Possibly. So I can take him down forever and we can just put up on the wall in my office how I
He's going to put up in his bedroom. That's how proud he was. But anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. I found it useful. If you did, then do smash that like button for us. And do consider subscribing to my channel, not his. It's not that great, to be honest.
Wow. Don't listen to him, guys. Always, as I always say,
It's okay.
thank you very much. Like and subscribe.
It's average.
Always enjoy it.
Just like his gameplay.
Oh, and who lost? Who lost?
I let you win.
Lost?
He's a guest in Leicester. I didn't want to let him like go sad again. He's been thinking about this for the past 3 years. He's been losing sleep. His wife's been telling me, Saf, you beat him. He's not slept since we've been married.
3 games and 3 losses.
So I had to do this. I did this.
See this?
I did this for his well-being because he's my friend.
Wow.
I let him win.
Wow. See what happens when? 3 losses. That's all I have to say. Just remember, guys, just go online and mention it. He lost 3
Overall,
times.
two out of the 2, we both won 1 each. We need the best out of 3. So we'll see you back in a couple of years.
Enjoy, guys.
All right. He doesn't even, he left me hanging there almost.
Oh, man. Okay.
Cool.